Hey everybody, if your Windows is also saying it's unable to complete the format error, which usually pops up when formatting a USB, SD card or hard drive, we are going to provide you with some fixes for that. So let's just get started. We can start by using a disk management. Hit Windows plus X and go to disk management, hit enter, and we can find our drive here, such as your USB drive, your SD card or HDD card here, and you can right click on that particular drive. You can go over and right click on that particular drive, and once you right click on it, you can choose the option of format there, and basically go ahead and choose file system and change it up and click on OK. And if you get the same error, you can just go and proceed to method number 2. For that, what we can do is we can type in Windows plus S, and there just go and type in cmd and run it as administrator, and there we can type in one of these commands, like following commands one by one. One of them is disk part. You can hit enter, type in disk part. So just go and type in disk part, hit enter, and once it is done, disk part without end space, hit enter, and you can just go over and type in list disk after that. List and disk, type in list and disk once it is done. Once this disk part is completed, list disk, and hit enter, and it will show us our disk partition available here. You can find a drive number, for example disk 1 here, and find it up, and you can just go over and clean out the disk partition. You can type in clean, create partition primary, etc., and exit it up, and that should wipe it up and reformat the drive, replace the NTFS with a FAT32 if needed. Apart from that, what we can do is we can check disk or disk errors. So we can just go over and find this PC and go ahead and right click on the drive that is having the error, and go to the properties, and from there go to tools option, and within tools you can click on check option and repair any errors before formatting, and that should also probably help you out. And usually these are the methods you can follow up to go ahead and fix that issue on your device, on your PC. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.